of arithmetic progression. Okay, now today's practice time, so we will be solving all the practice questions of this arithmetic progression. Okay guys, now come to the next question. Here we also find the missing term here. So a is -4 and this 6 is right. We know this is about which term? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So a6, which is a plus 5d, is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to a is -4 plus 5 into d. So we will be get solve it 10 upon 5d, right? D is 2. A is -4. So we need to increment by +2. +2 here. Okay, so -4 plus 2 will be -2. -2 plus 2 will be 0. 0 plus 2 will be 2. And 2 plus 2 will be 4. And 4 plus 2 will be 6. Okay, so these are the missing values. Okay guys, now come to the next question. Here we have given some series and we need to find which term is 78 in this series. Okay, so nth term is given and we need to find the value of n. So a n is equal to 78, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. 78 is equal to a, we know, right? A is 3 plus n we don't know, that we need to find, and difference is, what is the difference? 8 minus 3 is plus 5, right? Here you can see 30 minus is plus 5. Okay, so d is 5. So solve it further. You will be get 70. This is 75. 5 and minus 5. Okay, and this 5 will get 80 is upon 5 and is equal to this. Okay, now this is 16. Okay, so n is 16. So 16th term a16 will be 78. Okay, so n is equal to 16 is answer. Okay guys, now come to the next question. Here we know the two numbers from the AP, A16 and A11. Okay, and we need to find the 31st number in that particular series. Okay, so A11 is means 11th term we know, right? So 11th term will be A11 is equal to A plus 10d, okay, which is 38. Okay, now from this one A plus 15d is equal to 73. Okay, now this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Do equation 2 minus equation 1. You will, once you cancel it, okay, let me tell you the process also. If you minus, right, this will be cancelled, you will be left 5d and the difference here is 35. D will be 7. Okay, now we can easily get the value of A. A is equal to 38 minus 10d, which is 38 minus 70, 32. Okay, so A will be minus 32. So A31d is A plus 30d, which is A, we know, is minus 32. D is 7. You will be get minus 32, 210, right? Okay. Then you will be subtract this one. Okay, so A31 will be 178. Okay guys, now come to the next question. Here we need to find how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. 3-digit number, right, which is more than 99. Okay, so first number which is divisible by 7 in after right handed is 105. This we know, right? 7, if you divide by 7, you will get 15, right? So 105 is divisible. Okay, after that each number we were incremented by plus 7, right? It will be 112 and it will be 119, like that. Okay, 126. And the last term, right, if you know the last term, so last term will be, for example, divide 1994 by 7. Can you just try? Okay, so this 994 is divisible, 994, and if we add 7, it will be 10, 0 1. Okay, so this is 4-digit number, so we need to ignore this one. Okay, so the last number is 994. We need to find how many 3-digit numbers. So if we count this number, so we can get the solution. So this is, we know an, right? This is our last term. 994 is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, 994 a we know, right? 105 plus n we need to find, and d we know is 7. So it will be 105 plus 7n minus 7, 994. Okay, once you subtract, you will be get 98 minus 994. So if you subtract minus 98, so you will be get 896. So 896 is upon 7 is equal to n. Okay, divide this by 128. So n will be 128. So there are total 128 terms in this series. Okay, so an, right, which is a128 is 994 and n is 128. This is our answer. Total 128 terms are divisible by 7 3-digit numbers. Okay guys, now come to the next question. So it has little bit tricky. Okay, so we need to find 20th term from the last. Okay, so from here we need to find the 20th term. Okay, so this is a very simple trick. Okay, we need to find from the last, right? So let's suppose AP is in this direction. Okay, so this is our first term. Okay, now here you see the difference. If you grow from here, the difference will be 3. 8 minus 3 will be 5 plus 5. Okay, here if we are incrementing by plus 5, if we come from here, so d it will be decrementing by 5. Okay, so d will be minus 5 if we come from this direction. So in direction we need to find the 20th element. So a20 is equal to a plus 19d. 20 minus 1 is 19. So a first term is here because we are coming from this direction, right? So it will be 253, and d we also need to take for this direction, but okay, plus 90, d will be minus 5. Okay, 253 plus minus, it will be 19 into 5 will be 95, right? It will be 253 158. So a 20th term from this direction will be 158, which will lie somewhere here. Okay guys, now come to our next question. Okay, here we need to find the sum of the AP. Okay, sum of the AP to the 10 terms here, and in this we need to find the sum of the 12 terms. Okay, now we know the formula, right? For Sn is equal to n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so as 10 terms will be 10 by 2 twice of a is 2 and we know it is 10, so it will be 9 into d. D is difference, which is plus 5. Okay, we are incrementing by plus 5. So this will be get 5 okay, so 49 into 5, which you can also say 50. Let's a simple trick. 245. Okay, sum will be 245 for this one. Now come to this one. S12 is equal to 12 by 2. Okay, and 2i's of a is minus 37 plus n minus 1 means 11 into d. What is the difference here? We are going the opposite direction. Minus 33 plus 37, this will be 4. Okay, so this is 40 44. Okay, 6. So this will be 74 minus 4 is 30, and into 6 is 180. So here is a minus sign, so it will be minus 180. Okay guys, now come to our next question. So in this AP, we have given the sum of the n terms. So we need to find how many terms will give this sum. Okay, so we need to find the n value. Okay, so let's suppose Sn, this is their sum, n term sum is this one, is equal to n by 2 into twice of a is 9 plus n minus 1, and we need to find into d, and d you can say 8, right, plus 8, 51, this one you say it is plus 8, okay, it will be 8, and this sum is 636, n by 2 18 plus 8n minus 8, okay, you will be get 10n, and here it is actually 10 plus 8n, and 2 divided further will be 5 plus 4n, is equal to 636. So if you solve it further, you will get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay, and guys, if you solve it further, you will be get n is equal to minus 53 upon 4 or 12. So only and a number of the terms should be positive. Okay, so n is equal to 12 is the solution. So this is a quadratic equation, you can solve it further. Okay guys, now come to the next question. Here we know the sum of the starting 7 term is 49 and starting 17 terms are 289. So we need to find a general formula for the nth term. Okay, sum of the n terms. Okay, you can see here 7 is equal to, we can represent as a n by 2, which is 7 by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1, n is, we know 7 here, so it will be 60. A and d we don't know. Okay, so and this is 49. If you solve it further, you will 7 and this is 7 and 2 will come here, it 14, and this 2 also divide this 14, it will be 7. So will we get 7 and a plus 3d. So this equation we get. Now take this one as 17 is equal to 17 by 2 twice of a plus 16 into d. Okay, this we have value 289. Okay, now divide this 2 here, it will be get a plus 8d is equal to 289 upon 17. Okay, let's divide this one. Okay, (17 to 17). Okay, so this will be 17. Okay, so a plus 8d is equal to 70. Okay, now equation, this is equation 2. Do equation 2 minus 1. You will be get a get cancelled with this one. 8d minus 3 will be 5d. 17 minus 7 will be 10. D will be 2. Okay, we can find the value of a now. A is equal to 77 minus 3d. D is 2. So a will be 1. A is 1, D is 2. So for sum of n term will be n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2n minus 2. This 2 will be 2 cancel. This 2n upon, so n is equal to n by 2 2n. This 2 cancel will be n square. Sum of n term will be n square. This is our answer. Okay, so general formula, sum of the n term will be n square. So you can see 7 square is 49, 17 square is 289. Okay, this is the general formula. Okay guys, now come to our next question. Here we need to find the sum of the first 40 positive integer which are divisible by 6. Okay, so for let's see what's the AP here. So first term which is divisible by 6 is 6 itself, Now second will be 12 and like so on. Okay, now we need to find the 40th term. 40th term will be a plus 39d. Okay, 6 plus 39. 39 into d is 6, right? You will be get 39 plus 1 40, 240. Okay, so the 40th term, right, will be 240. So this is the okay. Now we need to find the sum of the first 40 term. Okay, sum of first 40 term is, you can say, either 40 by 2 twice of a plus 39d. This one can also prove, or there is another formula. Sum of 40 term with the initial value is first term plus last term. First we need to take n by 2 and then first term plus last term. Okay, let's try with this one. This will be 20. 40 by 2 is 20. First term is 6 and last term is 240. Okay, now this is 246. 246 into 20. So will we get 4920. Okay, so okay guys, so we have covered our today's agenda. So we have completed all the practice question of chapter 5 arithmetic progression. Few questions are I skipped, so that you can try from your end, and if you have still any doubt, just let me know. Please comment on your query in this video and I will be resolve personally your question, and we will discuss in our next video as well. Okay, so in the next chapter, in the next video we will be covering the chapter 6. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel so that you can get the update on the future videos. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.